Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see one of the best decks for Arena 10, and we are on our way to Arena 11 using this deck. And over here, this is the deck. You can make one change, the Royal Giant. You can switch it with Wizard or Balloons or anything else, but keep rest of the deck as the way you are seeing over here. And it is more about how you are going to use the deck rather than the deck. So we will see exactly how you can use this deck as well. So keep switching with the Royal Giant if this combo is not working. By the way, this combo is quite available for the lower levels or the lower arenas as well, so it would be quite easier for you to use this deck. Let's play the game and see how this works. It's better to defend yourself sometimes. You can also go with the attack, but it is better to defend. Seems like enemy is doing dual attack on both lanes. We will crush the enemy. If he is going to go with one tower, we are also going to go with another tower of the enemy. And guess what? We are going to get the tower, it seems. Almost got the tower. We got the P.E.K.K.A. Now it's time to attack. This strategy is quite good in a long run, so the longer the game goes, the better for us. So try to stress the game and you would be able to win it. Now let's defend. We both got the first tower, and we are actually trailing on the HP of our tower, as we got just 914 HP on our tower, whereas the enemy got 1238. But let's push the lane with Royal Giant. What do you think? Can we get the tower now? Seems like we can get the tower. Even if enemy gets this tower, we are going to destroy the main tower and win this game. Enemy is trying hard to divert us from the main tower, but we won't. And here we go, we just won this game. And this is how you do it. Now let's play one more game. By the way, you can use this deck for Arena 7, 8, 9 or 10, all of them. Just improve the level of your cards in this deck and you would be able to do quite well. And let's see what the enemy has to play. It was Wedge. We had no other choice on this one. We just lost a good amount of HP on our tower. Can we do the meteor throw? Enemy is defending quite well. Here comes the goblins and we are ready. Let's see what the enemy has to play. So we will play our move accordingly. And here we just defended quite well. One minute and almost 35 seconds left. Let's throw the goblins. Enemy is using the cannon quite smartly, but we got some HP from their tower. Now time to defend. Here comes the goblins. We are ready for it. Can we get this tower? No. Witch is over here. Let's destroy the witch. And when we play our witch from the back side, we are actually getting some skeletons and we are actually building the attack. So it is a great way to build the attack by playing witch from the back side. And this is going to be tough. Here comes the goblins. Here we throw our goblins. We can get the tower now. 22 seconds left, and I have just played the witch on the other side just to distract the enemy and also get some HP from the tower. We saved our tower and the match is over. And this is how you would be able to play this deck, and you would be able to win 80 to 90% of the matches, and this is what we want with the deck. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.